Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools video. This one is for teachers. My name is Vsauce. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of our brains and how they tackle the challenge of learning new languages. Ever wondered how your brain manages to pick up a language you've never spoken before? Let's find out. First up, the brain has specific areas dedicated to language processing. The most famous are Broca's area, involved in speech production, and Wernicke's area, which deals with understanding language. These areas light up not just when you speak your mother tongue, but also when you are learning and using a second language. Now, how does the brain actually learn a new language? It starts with exposure. From the sounds of words to the structure of sentences, exposure is key. Think of your brain as a sponge. It soaks up every bit of linguistic information it encounters. This is why immersion is often touted as one of the most effective language learning methods. But it's not just about soaking up words. The brain is also incredibly good at recognizing patterns. As you learn a language, your brain starts to notice and predict linguistic patterns, which helps in faster processing and recall. This pattern recognition is crucial when transitioning from learning to actually using the language fluently. Another intriguing aspect is the role of emotion in language learning. Emotional connections can significantly boost your memory and recall. For instance, if you learn the word amor, love in Spanish, while experiencing something memorable, you're likely to remember it better. This emotional tagging is a powerful tool in language learning. Let's talk strategies. Based on how our brain works, what are some effective methodologies? Well, spaced repetition, for example, where information is reviewed at increasing intervals, plays into the brain's natural learning and memory processes. Tools like flashcards or language apps utilize this method to great effect. Also, engaging multiple senses can enhance learning. When you read, speak, and listen to a language, you create stronger neural connections. So practice speaking with native speakers, listen to music or podcasts in the target language, and try writing texts or notes. Lastly, don't forget about the critical period hypothesis. It suggests that younger brains are more adaptable in acquiring languages due to their developmental stage. However, that doesn't mean adults can't become fluent. With the right strategies and enough motivation, mastering a new language is definitely within your reach. So, whether you're a language enthusiast or a curious learner, understanding the science behind how your brain learns can make your journey into new languages more effective and enjoyable. Keep challenging your brain, and it will surprise you with its capabilities. That's all for today. Remember, the world of knowledge is vast, and languages are its keys. Keep learning. Keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for thinking with me.